French firm Naval Group has opened a new workshop in India that will provide support and repair facility for Kalvari-class submarines of the Indian Navy. Naval Group is investing 100 crore rupees to make this state-of-the-art workshop that will help the Indian Navy with easier and faster repair as well as upgrade of the Kalvari-class submarines. Bharat Forge will participate in the competitive bidding process for future infantry combat vehicle and future-ready combat vehicle programs. Bharat Forge has entered into a strategic partnership with Tata Motors and US firm General Dynamics Land Systems to offer the American Abrams-X under the FRCV program and the Ajax infantry combat vehicle under the FICV. The Nigerian defense delegation accompanying the Nigerian president had the opportunity to witness a demonstration of the Prachand light combat helicopter at HAL's facility in Bangalore, and impressed by its capabilities and potential. The Nigerian Air Force is now planning to send a team of pilots, crew and engineers to India for an in-depth evaluation of the attack helicopter. A team of Argentinian Army has arrived at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bangalore, and they conducted flight trials of both the Dhruv MK3 and MK4 helicopters. Argentina is looking at ordering 20 helicopters, and the Argentinian team was highly impressed by the performance of the helicopters. The Indian Army has received delivery of the first batch of armoured light specialist vehicles from Mahindra and Mahindra, under a contract signed in 2021 for 1,300 light specialist vehicles. These specialized vehicles can achieve a top speed of 120 km per hour, and will be armed with automatic grenade launchers and anti-tank guided missiles. Ordnance Factory Kamaria has successfully developed 125mm fin-stabilized armor-piercing discarding sabot anti-tank practice ammunition for the Indian Army that costs only 1.25 lakh rupees as compared to 5 lakh rupees, that will help to curtail the huge training expenditure of the Army. The training ammunition has passed all the validation trials, and the Army will place first bulk production order for 20,000 units by end of this month. The United States has imposed one of its largest sanctions packages penalizing more than 150 companies and Russian military-linked elites, with the aim to target Russian military supply chains. India has seen a notable 37% drop in defense purchases from Russia, and India is gradually diversifying its sources for defense procurement to reduce its reliance on Russia. The DRDO is gearing up for a remarkable transformation of its A319 aircraft that will serve as a flying test bed for the Netra Mark II program. The enhancements include a belly mount to accommodate synthetic aperture radar and electro-optic sensors, and dorsal upgrades to accommodate SATCOM equipment, as well as chin adaptation to accommodate electronic support measures and side-looking airborne radar systems on both sides of the fuselage.
Omar dropped it.